It is about 15 minutes to 7. Getting our pre-trip done. And then we're going to head on over to our receiver. And get the day going. All right, and we are off for the day. And the snow was definitely not as bad as what was possibly predicted. So, you know, only maybe about, hell, under an inch was actually falling around this area. Might have been heavier elsewhere, but right here, bupkis. Ready. We are just about to our receiver here. We are on US 50, John Mosby Highway. And we are just about a little less than a mile away
Approaching destination in a half mile on the right side.
On the right side. Righty. So not a whole lot of the snow is blown off the trailer and off the load, so, but it's fencing, so it really isn't a big deal. You know, stuff off the very back of the trailer is blown off. We'll take a look, see, you know, what's what. Like I say, super easy load. You know, just, we didn't have a whole, 1,300 miles to get up here. With a little bit of deadhead, we were about almost 1,400 miles. You know, around that number. We, we had a little bit of problem with traffic along the way, accidents, blah, 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 blah. But overall, not too bad of a run to get here. We could have actually been here yesterday, but not being open makes it a little bit of a problem. And not having a place to park, a little bit of a problem. So we know it was either just to stay an hour away over in Tom's Brook and just drive in this morning.
Approaching destination in 1,000 feet on the right side.
All right, see my my sign for long fence where we're going?
You have arrived at your destination on the right side, 42521 John Mosby Highway, US 15.
And let's get around the back side of the building here. Alrighty. Alright, let's get to the back here. Let's see where they want me to position so they can unload. If I can. I know it looks like it's going to be a tough turnaround location here, but we will do what we can. Must wear a hard hat, safety glasses, safety vest. Yeah, a bunch of safety Nazis, so try to be out of the way so people can get by, and we'll call it right there, I guess. Yeah, blah, 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 think about payroll. Compose. Arrived at consignee. There we go. Yes. Hours of service. Change that to off duty. There we go. Yeah. All right, let's get our bills. Get that put out of the way. Get our coat on. And we'll grab our hard hat and we are going to get out of the truck and see what's what. And we can find a pen here. You never know if anybody's ever got a pen. right, so we got the load off. Besides just having frozen straps, you know, there's not much more to do except just grin and bear it. So we're gonna go right up the street here to the this Walmart. And we're gonna do our send in our macros and basically wait right there until we get our new load, because we really have no other place around here to actually go, it seems like.